what I did to keep my it's going in and out. I just think okay, hey y'all. Okay, so in this tutorial, well, you see what I'm doing by the title, but if you like how I did this, then just keep on watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. You don't have to comment. You could like, but make sure you subscribe and just keep on watching. I'm gonna take this hat off. Don't come for me, okay? Thank you. Okay, so these braids are like, oh my god, I look so hungry. But you know I'm not bald head. Anyways, so first you're gonna take your gel. Got to be, make sure it's got to be. Even though this says girl, it's not. Make sure you get got to be. Thank you. Everywhere, basically. Okay. So next, you're going to you're gonna take that edge brush and the blow dryer, and you're gonna blow dry it back. Take your cap. My hair not that big. I swear to God, my hair not that big. I don't know what she did with this cap. And you're gonna put your ear through. You're gonna take the glue, the lace glue, and I'm gonna clean off the top. And now I'm gonna dot around the edges. And you're gonna blow dry it. Okay, y'all, it's still dry, but look how much I care. That's how much I care. I don't care. We're just gonna cut it, and if it's not sticking, we're just gonna be out of luck. And we go like this so it's not pulling. I think it's stuck. Make sure you dry it all the way. Don't do this. Dry it all the way. So right now you're gonna take your scissors or you're gonna take your razors, whichever one you prefer. I just got. Okay, y'all, it's kind of fixed. I really don't care no more. So we're just gonna cut this off. Brush, and I'm gonna just dip it in this and then wipe it off and then go. I'm scared to show y'all because y'all won't clown me. Ignore that. Oh my god, like Freddy Krueger. Girl, look crazy. So I think this is how I'm gonna do it. I am going to pull some hairs forward that I could possibly make as baby hairs. Okay, so I'm back and now we're about to lay the wig. I'm just going to scoop my wig back. And then I'm gonna do, you guys should know, you guys should know this part. This is the easy part. But this is like the most known part. You do this in every I'm only gonna do 2 layers because I don't want to keep this wig on that long. If I was like, and plus I don't go nowhere. I'm online school, so I really don't leave the house much. So it's not like I'm experiencing harsh weathers. So I'm only gonna do 2 layers. But like if you leave the house a lot and you go do stuff and you active in life and you go places and you go to school, I suggest 3 or 4 layers. 4 layers, to be on the safe side. If you going places, use this one. If you're not really going nowhere, use this one. Okay. Now you're gonna take the comb and you're just gonna comb back. This. You're gonna tie this really, 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 really tight. Like blow drying this hair. So we're just gonna let it air dry. And for us to let it air dry, it has to air dry. Let's blow it a little bit. Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. It's the next day and I'm finna start. So now I got most of it like detangled and stuff. So now I'm gonna just focus on getting everything pushed back, because that is another reason why your frontal could be looking like not as good, because you're not pushing it back. You gotta push it back. If you don't do the push back, no matter where your part is, you always gotta do the push back. Side part, deep side part, middle part, no part. You need a push back. You need a push back. I like a dinosaur. Y'all know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take my mama key and make a key of it and make a copy of it. So when she thinks she's doing something, I'm gonna have a key. Cutting layers in the hair be like, it give it flavor, like